Ugly spot, killer shot. Let's get to it. All right, hear me out on this one, guys. So check this out. It's a bathroom. I know you might not, go show them the bathroom.
A bathroom again?
I know, we're back into bathrooms. But hear me out. It might not be ugly, but it is incredibly difficult to shot, right? So if you're looking at it from a bathroom perspective, you're probably like, oh, it's a really cool bathroom, right? It's funky, it's psychedelic, whatever. But how do we shoot in here? So hear me out on this. We're gonna do something cool. So I've got the Nanlite 120B, a Fresnel lens, zoomed all the way in, and power is gonna be on like 2 or 3. We barely need any power here, okay? So what I'm thinking, coming this down to like 3 maybe. Show them the pattern on the wall, right? So it's really, that's where we're hitting on the wall. But to me, that's the obvious shot, right? Here's what I'm thinking. So what I'm thinking is we shoot this reflection here and we keep all of this dark in the scene, and then we use that kind of blue light in here, and then we hit her with 5500. So maybe not super ugly, but it's pretty cool and a unique way to transform a space that's not necessarily easy to photograph. You know, we're gonna get 1 or 2 different frames in here. We're not gonna be able to do a whole photo shoot, but we're gonna take this and transform it. So let's get to it. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Alyssa, I may have you adjust that light. Let me see you lean back. Is that where you're gonna be? Let me see that light on the bridge of your nose. I may have you slide this way a little bit more. Yep, and what you'll do is you'll end up cheating your face this way, just a dinch, but then you can bring your eyes back to me, right? You've got to find the lens in that reflection. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here.
I actually can't see myself, but let's do it.
But you see me, and that's all that matters. Bring your eyes where you're looking. I'm gonna be opposite here, so maybe you're looking towards the light, a little bit back further, right there, okay? Grab the hat again, other hand maybe. Yeah, I like that. Bring it more towards the front, and then you're gonna flip that wrist like that. Yeah, break that wrist.
Oh, you're arching it with the opposite break. Am I doing it? No.
No. Look, you keep moving your elbow, wrist, like that.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, there you go.
Dainty hands. There we go.
I couldn't think because the wall sit.
Good, right there, beautiful. Love that, stay there with it. Let's make this work. All right, so let me see you stay there like that with that pose. Let me make sure the light's looking good on you. Awesome. All right, just so you guys know, I'm underexposed by 1/4 of a stop, and I'm at 5500 Kelvin. So obviously I've got to pick an angle in here. Love this, beautiful. Yes. Let me see what vertical looks like. Chin towards the light, just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Maya, let me see if you're here, or stand up for me now. I think I'm gonna fire the light into the wall and get the mirrors to reflect it on her. So Maya, I'm gonna have you in the corner there, kind of, I don't wanna say straddling the toilet, but kind of straddling it. Can you get your, oh, I like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that looks good. This hand, what if it's on the wall? Yeah, I like that. So now what I'm gonna do is fire this into the wall. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's moody. So we're still in the same power. We're only at 3% here. Maybe I'm gonna give this a little bit more punch. Boom, boom. I like that. Yeah, this is moody. Stay there, don't even move. I want this to be perfect. I want that one eye not showing. Trying to get light, guys, right on her left eye and not on her right eye. I'm just trying to adjust that hat so the shadow, yeah, right there. Okay, right there, beautiful. Maybe that right hand is grabbing, ooh, where are you going with it? Do something, it's all you. I got what I need. What are you feeling?
This.
Yeah, all right.
Exactly what I just did.
That's what I'm feeling, Sal. Stay there, love that. So now we're pulling back, get a little bit more of the environment. Yep, love that, Maya. Just stay there. Okay. All right, those are killer. Now, again, I'm being greedy, as we are used to in these videos. I want this shot of Maya right here. So what if you come into, you're looking at yourself in the mirror? Mm-hmm. So maybe one hand on each side of the sink.
I'm the new sheriff in town.
Okay, hang there for me. Can you look at my camera with your eyes? Get that, your right hand, and you're touching the hat again. Right there, right there. Ooh, right there, Maya. Beautiful. Stay there, stay there. I gotta shoot through this. Go that way, like slide your body that way.
Oh, like scoop?
Yeah. That's where I need you.
Okay.
Okay, hang tight. That's kind of interesting pattern. Can you give me a little bit more light? Just turn that up. Don't move, Maya. Right there. Getting it right on that eye. Let me see. Yeah, I need it more on that eye though. Right there, right there. Let's see if we can pull this off, Maya. Right there. I want you looking at yourself, not necessarily me. Just right there, Maya. She sees it on her eye. Love it. All right, I think I'm done. So let's stay in here. That is a wrap. Maya, what'd you think about our, let's get us some light on us. Is that good?
One or the other, I can't get both of you.
And that's a wrap.
Right there.
Maya, what did you think?
No, you're good. You don't have to do that.
But we look good. We're twinning. Okay. Or I need her hair for me. Yes, that is a wrap in this video. Maya rocking it out, bringing the heat. And how fun is that? So just a unique environment, very echoey in here, but killer shots. Give it a try. Get out there and experiment.